Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a situation with a Chevy Tahoe that came in with a seriously concerning issue. When it arrived on the tow truck, the wheel was so loose, it looked like it was about to detach completely. That immediate visual told me exactly what we were dealing with: a severely damaged wheel bearing. It's always a tough call when a vehicle needs a lot of work, but the owner could only manage one repair right now. Our priority was getting this Tahoe safe and roadworthy, so we focused solely on replacing that critical wheel bearing. It's amazing how one component can impact the entire vehicle's stability. We got the new bearing installed, and the difference is night and day. Safety first, always! Stick around to see the full process and how we tackled this important repair.